Hey, welcome back to my channel and you are watching Old Town Hotel. In this video, we are to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel membership is the You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see Category 4. Room category 5. Category 6. Yeah, check it. Rated guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several dates and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various maintenance and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.